Hey guys, it's Tia Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying something a little new, a little different. I'm going to be doing a French V-tip set of nails. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So for the base, of course, I'm going to go in with this nude polish that I use for every one of my French tips or anything that has a nude base. I can link it down below, and it's also linked in a couple of my other videos as well. I'm also going to go in with this neon green polish from Beetles. Side note, if you guys like my nails, I think they turn out super cute. I'm going to do a tutorial on those next. I'll be sure to link it once that video is up. I'm going to go in with my nude and just do 2 coats of this polish so that I can get a good base for my V-tips. Once I finally have a good base for my nails, I'm going to go in with a fine line brush and just make V-like lines starting at the middle of the top of the nail, if that makes sense, and then dragging it down in a diagonal line. This takes a little bit of practice because the nails are naturally curved, so you have to make sure that when you're making the line, it is straight, going with the curve of the nail. So I went over the line a couple of times just to make sure that everything looks straight, and I'm just going to do that for every single one of the nails. And then, of course, going in with the second coat, I didn't show it, but if you go in with the second coat, it'll make that green polish very vibrant and it'll stand out much better. Okay, so on to the fun part. So we're going to be whipping out the airbrush again. I used it in my last video, as you can tell. It is a little bit dirty from the last time I used it, and that's when I made my own set, the one that I have on in the video. So in order to clean this, all you're going to do is dump out whatever's in there, wipe it out with a paper towel, and then run some rubbing alcohol through it and just spray it as normal, just making sure that you get all that residue out. For the set that we're going to be doing, I'm going to be using 100% acetone, a couple drops of the neon green polish so that I can get my ombre effects. I will say this took a very long time trying to get that green to really build and match the other nails in terms of depth and like the vibrancy of the color. It turned out a lot more light, and what I've noticed is that with airbrushing, the colors normally turn out pretty light unless you have super pigmented polishes or paint that's meant for an airbrush. Once I have built up my airbrush nail, the ombre nail enough, I'm going to go in with my top coat and just top coat every last one of the nails. I like to do this before going in with my gems just because I feel like it's hard for me to go around the gems after the fact, and I just feel like it doesn't make a lot of sense to me to put top coat over the gems. I just feel like that looks weird. So I just go ahead and do it first and then glue down my gems. Once all the gems are in place and everything looks good, this is what the final result looked like. I feel like it turned out super cute. I love the airbrush nail. I think it just adds a cute little accent. If you guys are interested, I can definitely link this as a new listing, but that's all I have for today. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!